Okay, are you guys ready for the story walk?
I love story walks. My kids are passionate about books and they really like reading. And then I found out that there was one at Sunset Park, so I decided to take my kids to the playground and check it out. Mariposa by Ben Gundersheimer. In the story walk, there is a book page, and then underneath it, it has additional information. And those are really nice because they tell you, like, go to the next page in this way, flutter like a butterfly, buzz like a bee. And so my kids are just automatically doing it when it's read.
Being at a park and noticing that there's a story walk is so much fun because you realize that there's other activities other than just climbing on the playground and playing soccer in the grass. What color is this flower?
Red.
Yeah, good job. I love to read books. And I feel like people like the story walks because they can read a book while they're outside and getting some energy out, and they get to do a bunch of fun activities.
And it's just something different to do that we don't see everywhere. Flutter to the next page. It was really bonding to come and read the book and walk along with my family, and just a very enjoyable way to spend the afternoon. And then now the kids are playing at the playground, and we're probably going to stop into the library and pick up some books. So it's just a really nice afternoon. What's the possum looking at?
A butterfly.
A butterfly. Do you want to count the butterflies, Katie?